Thinking about adding apple cider vinegar to your diet, it is a small change that comes with big health benefits. Let us explore how these simple ingredients can transform your health. Benefit number one is it adds digestion. Apple cider vinegar stimulates the production of stomach acids, which help break down food more effectively. It also promotes healthy gut bacteria, reducing bloating and improving digestion. Benefit number two is it helps regulate blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar can lower blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Drinking a tablespoon diluted in water before meals can help prevent spikes, making it great for people managing diabetes or sugar cravings. Benefit number three, it supports weight loss. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can help you feel fuller for longer, which reduces your overall calorie intake. Its acetic acid content also boosts metabolism, which can aid in weight management over time. Benefit number four, it improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar lowers cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Adding it to your salad dressings or meals is an easy way to support a healthy heart. Benefit number five is it enhances skin health. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar can help clear acne and balance the skin's pH levels. You can even use it topically, but remember to dilute it to avoid irritation. Adding just 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to your daily routine can bring some impressive health benefits. Just be sure to dilute it in water to protect your teeth and stomach lining. Comment apple cider vinegar if you are adding this to your diet and tag someone who needs to know these benefits. Don't forget to follow for more health tips and make a big difference. Here is the better health one sip at a time.